This video is a quick demonstration of the Aviatek G1000 NXi standard terminal arrival routes functionality. So we are currently paused in the sim on flight level 100 inbound Bagur VOR at Girona airport, and we'll be flying the Bagur 3 kilo arrival. So let's unpause the sim. We are flying currently in a heading mode. I will go to procedure, select arrival, Bagur 3 kilo, runway 01, load, and you can see already introduced the, let's just change to nav mode now, and we'll go direct to Bagur. There you go. So it included the restriction, the altitude restriction from the procedure itself, which we should be at flight level 100 at Bagur VOR. And actually at Oketa, I would like to be at 5,000 feet. And once I did it, you see that it already calculated my top of descent. So now if I set my altitude selector to 5,000 feet, I can arm my VNAV. Let's accelerate a little bit so we get there faster. So once we get to our top of descent, actually when we'll be 1 minute from our top of descent, we'll get the VNAV annunciation, vertical track, vertical track.
Vertical track.
There you go. It's a reminder for us that within 1 minute we will be intercepting the VNAV profile. You can already see that we have the VNAV profile displayed here. VPath is already alive. We need to have pre-selected the lower altitude in order to capture the actual vertical track. And we have the VPath armed here in white. So now it's capturing VPath. And then you go, it's starting our descent. Let's reduce power. So there you go, that's the star functionality of the Aviatek G1000 NXi. It supports all kind of arrivals, including airnav arrivals. And again, as all the flight plan sections like the en route, approach, arrivals and departures, it creates the section here in the flight plan, and you can always remove it if let's say we're given a different approach or correction, different arrival.